Want to know how to set up your AngelList profile once you have freshly logged in? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up angellist.com and make sure you sign up by selecting sign in right here. So once you have done that, make sure you sign up through your email or the Google itself. So we have also created a video on how to register or create an account. So make sure to watch that if you need further help. So once you've done all of that, if it's your first time signing up, here you should be seeing your account name that you can type in. So you can just simply select continue once you've typed in your full name. And now here you can just simply select I acknowledge, and you can also consent for cookies or not. This is optional. And now you can either select a two-factor authentication method. So once you have authenticated a two-factor authentication, you should be successfully signed in and your account should be successfully set up in AngelList. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.